wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best portable washers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you like to watch the action happen, you'll appreciate the completely clear tanks on the giantex EP22757. In contrast to most other models, the spin dryer offers nearly the same capacity as the washing bin, though it is a bit on the loud side. It comes with integrated cord storage and doesn't require much detergent. However, the included gravity drain hose is short. At number 9, the laundry alternative wonderwash uses a manual hand crank to get your clothes clean. Its energy and cost-efficient design uses significantly less water than much of its electrically powered competition, which is handy during drought conditions. It's ideal for RVs and boats and weighs just 6 pounds, but it can be tiring to use. Coming in at number 8 on our list, equipped with a powerful 1300 RPM motor, along with separately dedicated wash and spin drying compartments. The Best Choice Sky 2767 handles up to 13 pounds of laundry at one time and is perfect for use in a variety of locations. It's available in several colors and comes fully assembled. However, note that its adapter doesn't fit all faucets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable washers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Della GM48215 is best suited for loads of lightly soiled or delicate clothing, though it can certainly handle your work pants in a pinch as long as you don't pack it full. A clear lid allows you to check how your garments are doing at any point in the cycle. It's equipped with a rust-proof plastic bin and is quieter than you might expect, but its spin dryer capacity is low. Moving up our list to number 6. The square shape of the laundry alternative Ninja Mini makes it ideal for sticking in a corner in small rooms where others may not fit. Though compact, the manufacturer has managed to give it an 18-pound capacity by making efficient use of its space. It features a suspension system to balance loads, a triple-welded steel drum, and a 3-year warranty. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you'd rather put in a bit of elbow grease than waste any electricity, or simply plan on staying somewhere where you don't have access to any, the Lavario 1204 is a worthy choice. It drives a continuous flow of water through garments, allowing it to clean heavily soiled items. This is an eco-friendly option and requires minimal arm strength, but it can't be disassembled for storage. At number 4, the Panda Pan 50SW features electronic touchpad controls with many of the same settings you'd find in high-end stationary models, including delayed start, quick, and delicate. It's equipped with a stainless steel tub and a grounded 3-prong plug. It offers an adjustable load size and hot and cold water inlets. However, it is a bit heavy for one person to move. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the eco-friendly giantex twin tub EP21684 allows you to clean one load while simultaneously spin drying another, making it an efficient choice for getting through your chores. When both are full, it has a total capacity of nearly 17 pounds. It includes a removable filter, large control knobs, and a dedicated delicate cycle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable washers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, weighing a mere 14 pounds, you can easily pull out the Costway 23104 CYWH when you have a load of clothes to clean, and then move it back to a storage area when finished. Its small size makes it ideal for dorm rooms, RVs, and studio apartments. It's equipped with a helpful fill line indicator and a spin dry function, and it comes in at a budget-friendly price. And taking the top spot on our list, the Black & Decker BPWM09W offers 5 cycles, including a handy rapid mode that's great for getting lightly soiled clothes clean in a jiffy. It also provides small, medium, and large load settings and an auto shut-off feature if the lid is lifted. This is an agitator-free design with a built-in lint filter and a digital time display. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable washers, or simply click beneath this video.